Experience Cloud, formerly known as Salesforce Communities. Salesforce has a knack for changing the names so frequently.
Let's not talk about it. let's not.
Moving
on.
moving on. You can basically create portals over here. May it be employee portals, customer service portals, or even like partner portals. If you're if you want certain people that you're partnered with to see some content. So yeah, it can be used to show content. We have implemented for a company where they are just showing certain educational content to when people buy courses, and they show those particular content over there. So things like that can be done in the Experience Cloud. And as discussed, it also has different licenses and costing according to what you are creating, if it's a customer community portal or a partner community portal. So different license and costing is also there.
So the moment when you want someone to interact with your system who's not part of your own organization, you would want them to have a community or a portal. And that is something that can be catered very easily with the help of Experience Cloud, right? And with the help of Experience Cloud, these are the things that you get. Number one, branded portals. So they would not get to realize that they are logging in, logging out, doing all of those activities inside Salesforce. But at the end of the day, the platform, the hardware, the infrastructure, the applications are all going to be running on Salesforce itself. So, right. Next is customized user journeys. So you can create whatever user journey you want onto that. It's very, very customizable. Just like you can create a website and you can have any journey for the users who are using those websites, and you can initiate the actions based on their interactions onto those websites or onto those portals and communities inside Salesforce without having to worry about creating some integrations between the two parties and securing those integrations as well. So what that means is, like, let's say this is a community or a portal that you have created, and this is the Salesforce Cloud that you have, and now you have to create an integration between both of these based on the interactions that are being done on these communities. You want actions to be taken care of into Salesforce org. But when your portal is running onto the Salesforce Cloud or onto your Salesforce org, when the users are not realizing it, no need of interactions is there, integrations is there. Whatever action they're going to take, or whatever interaction they're going to have onto this portal or community or onto that Experience Cloud, it's just going to initiate some action into the Salesforce, and everything inside your org is going to work accordingly as expected by you. Am I correct? In a very easier way.
Yes.
All right. See, and then comes seamless content integration, community building tools, and again, so it's simple. You, in order to build that community, you do not have to worry about writing down the code from scratch. You get a lot of tools, you get a lot of pre-built forms, a lot of pre-built things, which you can utilize in order to create that particular community, which allows you to develop, deliver, and deploy the community faster. Then comes multi-channel access. It allows you to access into multiple channels. Then comes self-service capabilities, and it's a mobile responsive design. And then comes workflow automation. Very easy, very simple to understand.